Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. Most people are pretty overwhelmed by the process of selling and buying a house, and I've built my team truly around education. I'm passionate about education, and I look for those other people that are also passionate about doing the same thing. So we really focus on leading the whole process of selling or buying a house through starting with educating the people of everything first, and spending that time so that they really feel good about their decisions down the road. Today we're actually going to talk about setting some goals. We're going to focus on setting goals for selling and buying in the year of 2019, and also maybe a couple little personal things that I might throw in there as well. So if you're looking at selling your house in 2019, now is a great time to kind of make your list of things that you need to accomplish. So do you need to do some painting over the winter? Do you need to do some, purging and getting rid of things over the winter? This is the time to do it. And then also make your list for the spring. When it starts getting warm out, here are the things that I need to do. But also, if you're planning on moving to a different house, it is a great time to visit with either your financial advisor or meet with your mortgage lender to really see what options are out there. You might be surprised by the different ones that will provide you better opportunities with your finances. You might actually realize that you can afford more, or you might realize that you can afford less. So definitely do all of those things now through the winter months so that you truly feel very comfortable when it comes to time to sell your house. And I do recommend, if you're ready right now, even the winter months are great months to sell your house, because there's always somebody looking. I'm actually going to be showing houses this afternoon, and it's cold out, but it's actually a really good time to not only buy a house, but also for moving. I would say of all the moves that we've done, moving in the winter is by far the best, just for the sake of you're not all sweaty, there's not rain, there's just, and usually people aren't as busy in the winter months, so you might have a few extra hands to help you. If you're looking at buying a house, again, you should meet with your realtor, then also meet with a mortgage lender, and your realtor can make an introduction, or vice versa. They can, your mortgage lender might be able to refer you to a good realtor, and they'll be able to walk you through the different things that you need to be thinking about now. There's a lot of great first-time home buyers programs in different areas, so you might be able to qualify for one of those if they're still available. In addition to that, you would be able to talk about what down payment you're going to need, if any, and look at the whole comparison of the different loan programs available and what they're going to cost long term. A lot of people in first-time home buyers, they don't have money down, or they have very little to put down, but maybe it makes more sense for you to wait, or maybe it's a great time to buy because your rent is really, really, really high. So definitely look at all of those different things that are going to impact you, because thinking it through is so, so, so important. So our team is going to have a first-time home buyers, or even if you're a second-time home buyer, a buying workshop, along with a selling your house, a workshop to kind of help you understand what your options are. Are you going to use a realtor? Are you thinking about buying or selling on your own, and what's that look like? So we're going to all look at all those different options, and they're going to be two separate workshops. So if you're selling and then buying, it might actually be advantageous to attend both of them. More details to come on that. So very excited about being able to provide that opportunity to you. I will be posting it on my website and on Facebook, so or if you feel free to reach out to me at any time, but we don't have all the details figured out yet. But it's going to be January, February sometime, but I want to get a good team of people together to do this as well, so we'll have different resources for you to talk to with no strings attached. So I trust that you learned a thing or two today. Look forward to providing more information next week, And I hope that you have a blessed day and a wonderful weekend.